You've built a powerful trading bot, relentless, emotionless, and perfectly tuned to your strategy. You backtested it, saw the dream equity curve, and launched it on a prop firm account expecting easy profits. But then, boom, the account gets blown, the dream shatters. Why do so many perfect bots fail prop firm challenges? It's not just about being profitable, it's about survival. Prop firms set traps, rules designed to trip you up. The live market is a beast your backtest can't predict. Your bot might be a genius at entries, but if it's not built to defend itself, it's doomed. One overlooked risk, one bad day, and your account is gone. Today, I'll show you the 5 reasons most bots fail, and how to make yours bulletproof. Let's get started. The silent killer of trading bots? Over-optimization. You tweak your bot endlessly, chasing that perfect backtest curve. But all you're doing is curve fitting, training your bot to ace an old test, not the real market. The live market is a new exam. Your genius bot crumbles at the first sign of change. Traders fall in love with backtests, but a backtest is just a rear-view mirror. The real world exposes every flaw. So how do you build a bot that survives? Stop chasing perfection, chase robustness. Use walk-forward testing, optimize on one period, then test on unseen data. This simulates real market conditions and exposes weaknesses. The results won't be perfect, but they'll be honest. A bot that survives walk-forward testing has a real edge. But don't stop there. Run your bot on a live demo for at least 30 days. This is your final exam. Real spreads, real slippage, real chaos. You'll see if your bot can handle the real world or if it needs more work. If it fails, go back and fix it. If it passes, you're ready for a prop challenge. Recap: stop curve fitting, use walk-forward testing, run a 30-day live demo. Only then do you have a bot worth risking real money. Most traders skip these steps and pay the price. Don't be one of them. Build for robustness, not perfection. Your backtest is lying to you. Demand the truth. This process separates pros from gamblers. Be patient, it'll save you thousands. If your bot can't survive a month on demo, it won't survive a prop firm. The real world is the only test that matters. Pass it before you risk $1. The #1 reason traders fail prop firm challenges. Even with a good bot, the daily drawdown rule. Every prop firm has it. It's a trap for undisciplined traders. One bad day, one big loss, and you're out, no matter how good your strategy is. Most bots focus on entries and exits, but ignore preservation logic. In prop trading, your first job is to not lose the account. The daily drawdown is usually 5%. If your equity drops 5% below the day's start, you fail, even if you recover later. Bots without drawdown logic are flying blind. You must code daily drawdown protection into your bot. Rule 1. If daily loss hits 4.5%, stop opening new trades for the day. Rule 2. If equity drops 5% below the day's start, close all trades and stop trading until tomorrow. These are your emergency brakes. This transforms your bot from a strategy executor into a risk manager. You might miss some wins, but you'll keep your account alive. Prop firms want you to break this rule. Don't give them the satisfaction. By coding in these protections, you're playing the long game. Most traders ignore this and pay for it. Don't be one of them. Build your bot to survive, not just to win. The daily drawdown rule is the prop firm's biggest weapon. Take it away from them. Add these 2 rules and you'll outlast 90% of the competition. Survival is the real edge. Don't just trade, protect. This is the difference between passing and failing. Make your bot bulletproof. Your bot is trading smoothly until a high-impact news event hits. Suddenly the market explodes, spreads widen, slippage skyrockets, and your stop loss is useless. Your bot never saw it coming, it's trading blind. News events like NFP or Fed decisions are market landmines. Prop firms know bots ignore news and profit from your losses. The solution? Give your bot a news filter. Use an economic calendar API, like Forex Factory or MIF's book, to check for high-impact events. Program your bot to pause trading 60 minutes before and after major news. This creates a 2-hour safety window around dangerous times. Your bot sits out the chaos, then resumes when the market calms. It's simple, but it's a game changer. Don't let your bot gamble through news. A news filter is your bot's warning system. It's the difference between survival and disaster. Most bots trade blind, don't be one of them. Add a news filter and protect your account. Professional bots avoid the train, amateurs get run over. Make your bot see the danger and wait it out. The most seductive and destructive bot logic? Martingale. Double your position after every loss and you'll always recover. Until you don't. In the real world, with prop firm limits, Martingale is a time bomb. A losing streak balloons your risk, and one more loss wipes you out or breaks the rules. Revenge logic, risking more after a loss, is just as deadly. You're coding human weakness into a machine meant to be emotionless. The only way to survive: fixed risk per trade. Risk 0.5% to 1% per trade every trade, win or lose. Never increase size after a loss. This keeps losing streaks survivable. 10 losses in a row, that's a 10% drawdown, not a blown account. Martingale would have bankrupted you. Check your bot's code. If it increases size after a loss, delete that logic now. Replace it with fixed percentage risk. Your goal isn't to win back losses fast, it's to stay in the game. Consistent risk equals consistent survival. Martingale is a casino strategy. You're building a business. Choose discipline over disaster. You've built a solid bot. Strategy, drawdown logic, news filter, no Martingale. But pros add one more layer: real-time risk management. Think of it as a co-pilot ready to take over if things go wrong. Set a max trades per day limit. If your bot hits it, stop trading for the day. Add an equity drop rule. If floating equity drops 2%, close all trades and pause. Monitor performance metrics, like win rate over the last 20 trades. If your bot's win rate tanks, auto-pause and alert yourself. These circuit breakers catch problems before they become disasters. Amateurs hope their bot works. Pros surround it with safety nets. In prop trading, one bad day can end you. Real-time risk controls are your guardian angel. Don't just build a pilot, build the whole cockpit. Add max trades, tight equity stops, and real-time monitoring. Give your bot the power to shut itself down when needed. This isn't optional, it's survival. The firms give you no room for error. Build your bot to protect itself. That's how you last long enough to win. After all the code, logic, and rules, the real reason bots fail is you. Human interference is the final boss. You launch your bot, it takes a few losses, and you panic. You override trades, close winners early, or increase risk after a loss. The whole point of a bot is to remove emotion. The moment you interfere, you reintroduce the biggest weakness: yourself. Why? Lack of trust. You spent months building and testing, but when real money's on the line, you doubt your own system. Your gut is not smarter than your code. Most accounts are blown by the coder, not the code. The solution: discipline. Once your bot is tested and live, make a pact: no manual interference. Treat your bot like an employee. Let it do its job. Your job is to supervise, not micromanage. Review results after a large sample, not after every trade. Only intervene if there's a systematic problem. Then fix, test, and redeploy. Don't touch it in the heat of the moment. This is the hardest rule, but the most important. More bots are killed by their creators than by the market. Don't be your own worst enemy. There you have it, the 5 fatal flaws destroying your prop firm challenges. Over-optimization, missing drawdown logic, trading blind through news, Martingale, and lack of real-time risk controls. Plug these leaks, and your bot becomes a fortress. Control matters more than code. Risk management and discipline beat any fancy strategy. Want a funded-friendly bot template with all these protections? Drop funded in the comments and I'll send you my base code. Subscribe for more real-world trading bot breakdowns. Thanks for watching. Build smart, trade safe. See you in the next one.